On news on CNH tonight, here are the headlines for today. Dave Portnoy dumped his XRP 2 weeks ago. Crypto market cap nears $4 trillion, just behind the biggest company in the world. 300% Doge price rally expected if this key price level is reclaimed. SEC delays in-kind redemption decision for Bitwise crypto ETFs. US House passes 3 key crypto bills ahead of August recess. USDT market cap hits $160 billion, cementing its digital dollar rule, Tesla CEO says. Welcome once again. Dave Portnoy dumped his XRP 2 weeks ago. Balto Sport founder Dave Portnoy said he would have made millions if he had just held onto his big XRP stack. Balto Sport founder Dave Portnoy is kicking himself for selling off most of his XRP just weeks before the cryptocurrency reached new year-to-date highs on Thursday. I would have made millions, and I want to cry. I don't own it anymore, even though I was a leader of the XRP army, Portnoy said in a video posted to X on Thursday. His comments came shortly after XRP broke its yearly high of $3.29 and surged to $3.60, marking a 19.61% gain in the past 24 hours at the time of publication, according to Nasdaq data. Next, crypto market cap nears $4 trillion, just behind the biggest company in the world. Surges in the price of Ethereum and XRP have driven total crypto market capitalization to record highs just shy of $4 trillion. Total crypto market capitalization is within striking distance of the $4 trillion milestone, driven by a daily surge in Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies as 3 major crypto bills were passed in the US House. A $4 trillion market cap would place cryptocurrencies just behind Nvidia, the biggest publicly listed company in the world, which crossed a $4 trillion market cap for the first time on July 9 and is now at $4.2 trillion. Binance's own coin market cap shows peak crypto market capitalization figure at $3.8 trillion, while TradingView has the number at $3.9 trillion, higher than the previous peak of $3.73 trillion in December. However, some trackers like CoinGecko have already shown that crypto market capitalization has crossed the milestone. Next, 300% Doge price rally expected if this key price level is reclaimed. Doge gained 18% this week, and multiple data points suggest that a 300% rally is possible before the end of 2025. Dogecoin shows strong sign of rallying higher as technical indicators and on-chain metric align to support bullish continuation. Currently trading above $0.21, Doge is forming a textbook double bottom pattern on the daily chart, a historical reliable reversal formation. This bullish structure is developing after Doge decisively broke out of a long-standing descending channel, further confirming a shift in momentum. Following the breakout, the meme coin has entered a consolidation phase between $0.19 and $0.21, which could be viewed as a healthy retest and hold for a breakout. An immediate breakout above $0.21 would likely pave the way to $0.25, a key level that completes the double bottom pattern. This would open a path towards $0.48, a level last seen in December 2024. Notably, Doge's largest structure on the weekly chart add further weight to its bullish case. Crypto analyst trader Tagdingrade noted that the crypto asset trades within an ascending broadening wedge, a technical formation known for its parabolic breakout potential. The price action suggests that Doge is gearing up to test and potentially breach this upper boundary. Based on historical precedent and structural analysis, such a move could lay the foundation for a 300% rally once $0.25 is reclaimed, with the $1 level emerging as a realistic long-term target once Doge clears the $0.47 resistance. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching news on CNH.
Do you want to make money from crypto without investing any money at all? Yes, you heard me right. Without any single funds. Are you between the age of 15 to 25 years, right? And you know how to use a phone very well with an internet connection, right? I'm Crypto Talker by name, and I'll teach you how to make money from crypto for free without any funds. all you have to do is test some sites for free, and they'll pay you for testing this site when they launch their token. Use free faucets, we call them free faucets. You get free faucets, use it to test their site for them, right? And they mark your wallet address, an address that tested their site when they were in the testing phase, and they will reward you their tokens when they launch, right? Now, I'm teaching you how to do all this for free in my community. All you have to do is click anywhere around this video. Then once you click the link, you're going to see a follow button by the top right. Click on that follow button, right? And you're already in the channel. Now, I'll also put the link to a support group inside that channel so that you can ask your question. Because inside this channel, you can't ask questions. Inside the support group, you're able to ask questions. I'll be there to answer your questions. Some of my admins will also be there to answer your questions with video guides. All right? Thousands of people are already making money from cryptocurrencies for free. Like my student Eze, here is his testimonial. Ebuka, my student, here is his testimonial. And Aisha, these are some of my students that have made money from cryptocurrencies without any fund. Now click the link below or anywhere around this video to join the Crypto Talker channel right now. This channel is open just for 24 hours for free. After that time, you'll be able to use the link you're seeing right now to join the channel again. I'll see you on this side. This is Crypto Talker here. Peace out.
Welcome back. SEC delays in-kind redemption decision for Bitwise crypto ETFs. The US SEC has extended its decision deadline on whether to allow in-kind redemptions for Bitwise spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs on NYSE Accra. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC extended its deadline for ruling on in-kind redemptions for two separate crypto exchange-traded fund ETFs. According to a Wednesday SEC filing, the regulator will take more time to decide whether to allow in-kind redemption on NYSE Accra for Bitwise Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs. The time limit for the decision was extended, but the underlying limit remains 45 days, extendable to no more than 90. The Commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change, so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and the issue raised therein, the announcement read. In-kind redemption would allow investors to redeem ETFs for the underlying asset directly, in this case, which is Bitcoin or Ethereum. This could have tax implications as assets will be redeemed in kind rather than liquidated for cash. Next, US House passes 3 key crypto bills ahead of August recess. The 3 bills on Republicans' crypto agenda passed with bipartisan support despite continued pushback from Democrats over claims of corruption and conflict of interest. After delays in Congress over Republican concern with central bank digital currency (CBDCs), the U.S. House of Representatives has passed 3 pieces of crypto legislation. In a Thursday House session, lawmakers voted 294 to 134 to pass the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, a bill aimed at establishing a market structure for cryptocurrencies. 308 to 122 in favor of the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoin called Genius Act, and 219 to 210 for the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. Almost 80 Democrats voted yes for the Clarity Act and more than 100 for the Genius Act, with the bills having been expected to move through the chamber before Congress breaks for its August recess. Republicans has been calling for everyone in their party to support the bills as part of their Crypto Week plan, a nod to US President Donald Trump's stated intention to enact his crypto agenda quickly. However, on Wednesday, voting on consideration of a package, including the 3 bills, stalled for hours after some Republicans held out for a carve-out to ban the development of a CBDC in the US. Finally, on News Today, USDT market cap hit $160 billion, cementing its digital dollar role, Tether CEO says. Tether's USDT stablecoin has surpassed $160 billion market cap, confirming its place as the digital dollar as strong leads in blockchain supply. The market cap of Tether's USDT, the world's largest stablecoin, has surpassed $160 billion for the first time, a new mind-blowing milestone, according to the Tether CEO, Paolo Ardoino. In a Thursday post on X, Andreino called the achievement a testament to USDT's growing role as a digital dollar for billions of people living in emerging markets and developing countries. Andreino has said that USDT is used by more than 400 million people worldwide, expanding by 35 million wallets each quarter, especially in emerging markets where it serves as a reliable dollar substitute. The blockchain distribution of USDT shows that Tron hosts the highest USDT supply, now accounting for about $81 billion compared to Ethereum's $65 billion according to data from Defilama. USDT issuance on other networks is significantly smaller, totaling $6.8 billion on BNB chain, $2.3 billion on Solana, and $1.1 billion on Polygon. That will be all on the news on CNH today. But before we go, let's take a look at people's sentiment reaction on today's crypto market, the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index for today's crypto market stands at 73, indicating greed, which means investors are feeling optimistic and bullish. That will be all for today. We'll continue to bring you latest updates as more information becomes available. Stay with us for more breaking news and do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment your thought below for real-time interaction. Reporting live on Crypto News Hack, I am Joy Samuel. Thanks for watching. Good night.